Welcome to Project Financing Variables, the part of the process where dreams meet numbers and numbers ask for identification. Home energy upgrades can create comfort, savings, resilience, and long term value, but they also require planning. Financing helps homeowners complete improvements without paying the entire cost up front. There are several ways to finance home projects: personal savings, home equity loans, home equity lines of credit, personal loans, specialized renovation loans, promotional financing, and sometimes programs connected to energy upgrades. Each option has different interest rates, terms, payments, fees, and qualification rules. The best choice depends on your credit profile, home equity, project size, monthly budget, and how long you expect to stay in the home. Financing can be useful because it allows homeowners to bundle improvements. For example, a homeowner may consider solar, batteries, EV charging, smart panels, HVAC upgrades, or other efficiency improvements as part of one broader plan. Instead of solving one problem at a time, financing may help create a more complete home energy strategy. But here is the serious part: payment matters. A project should fit your budget. Borrowing too little can leave work unfinished. Borrowing too much can create stress. A good plan looks at monthly payment, expected energy savings, available incentives, warranty value, and the overall benefit to the home. The goal is not just to get approved, the goal is to make a confident decision. Financing should be a tool, not a trapdoor. Used properly, it can help homeowners modernize their homes, protect cash, and move forward with upgrades that would otherwise sit on the someday list forever.